Hey friends, it's Vanessa Bencourt with John L. Scott. Welcome to my newest listing here in Kent, Washington. Come on in, you're gonna love this super cute condo. Welcome to Sunset Vista condominiums in Kent, Washington. This 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo offers 870 square feet of living space, with a unique loft space that would make a great playroom or home office. This cozy condo is conveniently located close to shops, restaurants, and only 2 miles away from Saltwater State Park. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. To schedule your private tour, call, text, or email me, and I will see you guys soon.